Blackberries are one of my favorite summertime fruits, and we're turning these into blackberry pie. Allrecipes, top-rated recipe. Let's get cooking. This is one of those pies that is super simple to come together. We're gonna use the juices that naturally come out of these blackberries to form that delicious syrup inside the pie. All we need to add is sugar and flour. As the juices come out of the berries, the flour is going to be there to thicken it up. And the sugar is going to help create that syrupy goodness. This goes into just a simple store-bought pie crust, or you can make your own. Then I'm just going to add a few untossed berries on top. These will peek out the top and remind you that this is blackberry pie. Then you're just going to take a second crust and unroll it over the top and crimp the edges together. Sealed up. And now we've got to make our slits in the top so that the steam can escape. And then just brush it with some milk. Sprinkle with sugar. I love the old-fashioned sugar crust. And that's it. This goes into the oven, 425 degrees for the first 10 to 15 minutes. This is going to kind of set that crust and get it golden brown and flaky. Then we're going to reduce the heat to 375 and go for another 20 minutes or so. I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks very good. But look at the way those berries are bursting out of there. The all-American dessert. I love that the berries held their shape during the cooking. It's the perfect amount of sweetness. The flour just makes that kind of creamy, syrupy sauce with the juice. And the sugary crust, thank you. If you're looking for the perfect summer dessert that starts with berries, give this blackberry pie a try. And turn it into pie. Pie.